Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Johnson and today I'm super excited because it's the holiday season. Merry Christmas, Happy Boxing Day, Happy New Year, everything together happening all at the same time. This is my favorite time of the year and I'm super excited to do this back to basic makeup tutorial for you guys. It is an highlighter makeup tutorial. A lot of people do not know how to use highlighter because they just want to glow. It's not only about glowing, it is also about just hitting those high points. That's the areas that are the high points of your face with the highlighter in a very minimal manner, and then you're looking glowy and good at the same time. So I'm going to be showing you guys, so let's go into it. So I'll be prepping my face with my Pond's oil control. I love to put this on just before my foundation, and you can also apply some primer afterwards. And next is my foundation by Maybelline in Coconut 355. So we're just going to breeze in to the foundation application quickly. Next, I'll be using my LA Girl in Warm Honey. It's a concealer and it's a bright shade, so I'm using it to highlight. Next, I'll be using this Nani Cosmetic Powder in Warm 109. So my face is already prepped now, and I'm just going to quickly do my brows and show you guys how to highlight. I'm using Zaron mascara, and the eyeliner that I used the last time was Mabrook in black. So this is just to show you that this is a natural glam. It is not really about full glam, so I'm just showing you how to highlight. So I'll be using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I absolutely love this highlighter. It is really shimmering champagne gold like. So this is what it looks like. I've been using it for a while now, as you can see, and I'm just going to tap my brush and show you the areas that I'm going to be highlighting. So when it comes to highlighting your face, the areas that you want to highlight is the area that you really want to pop. Highlighting and contouring is creating highlights and lights right on the face, and also creating dark tones on the face as well, so that your face can have some structure. So you can use liquid makeup, you can also use powder makeup. So this highlighter is a powder makeup, so we're only doing a highlighter makeup tutorial today. So the areas you want to highlight is your T-zone area, because light bounces on that side of the face the first time light reflects on your face, and also your cheekbone as well, your chin, your cupid bow, and even your brow bone, because you can see that when light reflects on your face, it this area is bright, then this place is dark before the light hits here. So those are the areas that your highlight is going to be applied, and that's what we're just going to do because those are the highlighted areas. So you want to make sure that you apply just very little and just build. I have missed this highlighter. I really love it. So I'm just applying and I'm brushing it out. And you can see the glow, guys. So I'm applying it on my cheekbone, like so, and just blending it out. And then my cupid bow, chin. Do not forget, very minimal. Bridge on my nose. This is quite a lot, right? But I'll blend it out. And my forehead, right? So I can just take like a small brush and just blend it out. So I'm just going to apply this lip gloss and we're good. It's actually a lipstick by Minani. It is a more matte and it's like a nudish pink color, haute brûlante, very subtle. And we're good, guys. I absolutely love what I'm looking like. So you can see that my cheekbone is highlighted, and my nose, my cupid bow, because you can see it right here, my chin and my forehead, and the glow is real. I hope you absolutely love this tutorial. It is as simple as that. You do not want to paint your whole face with highlighter. Thank you so much for watching.